I wish you guys could see the setup I have going on right now. It's interesting. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Emma. I typically do not wear that much makeup. I like makeup, I'm just not very good at it, and so I typically don't wear that much on a day-to-day basis. Like what I'm wearing now is basically all that I wear. Just a little bit of cover up and bronzer and my eyebrows and mascara. That's basically it. But more recently, I have started getting back into makeup, specifically like eye makeup and stuff like that. When I was visiting my brother in Chicago, we went to Nordstrom Rack and I got this Naked Smoky Eye palette, and I have been wanting to try it out for so long now. It was really cheap, that's why I got it. I never really do smoky eyes because I can't. I'm really bad at them. Look at how pretty this is. Oh my god. I don't know how well you can see that, but oops. Really, really pretty colors, really pretty packaging. And in this box, they give you directions on how to do a smoky eye. And so I thought, you know, why not try this on camera? This will probably be a mess, but let's, oh, and this is like a really nice brush too. Okay, I see you, Urban Decay. But I'm gonna do the iconic Urban Decay smoky eye. Oh god, I'm gonna look like a raccoon. This will be fun. Okay, step 1. Apply eyeshadow primer potion from the lash line to the brow bone and also on the lower lash line. I do have that. Where'd it go? Had this for years, I think. I know I should really throw it out, but I don't use it enough to throw it out and get a new one. Probably gonna get an eye infection soon, but you know what? Care. This is also the first time I've worn my hair in braids like this since I was like 14, I think. I actually kind of like it. Using a blending brush, apply Combust from the crease to the brow. Combust is this one. I'm gonna say this is a blending brush. The last time I used orange, so I'm gonna just blend it out on my leg and try to get it. As you can tell, I don't know anything about makeup. I don't really know what a blending brush is. Oops. Put it from the lash line. Oh no, from the crease to the brow. Okay. I feel like because my primer is so sparkly, I need to put a bit more on. If I do anything wrong, please everyone slam me. Let me know what I'm doing. Help me to improve. Maybe we can watch the evolution of my makeup and maybe I'll actually get good at this. Probably not smoky eye, but makeup maybe. With a shadow brush, highlight the entire brow bone with 13, blending it well with Combust. Where's 13? Okay, the 13 is this lighter one. What's the difference between a shadow brush and a... I'm just gonna use the brush that they gave me. This, I think this is a shadow brush. I can't tell if it's just my lighting, but I can't really see what I'm doing. Oh, maybe I just need to be closer. Oh, but then you can't really see me. Good enough. I don't really care. Using Perversion 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, line the entire lash line. It should be slightly thicker at the outer corner. Use the smoky smudge brush to smudge it out. Oh, I need eyeliner. Oh, okay. I line the entire line. Not off to a good start. Can you tell I haven't done this in a really long time? I used to wear like full on makeup every day in like the beginning of high school. I think freshman and sophomore year. Full on smoky eye going out kind of makeup every single day. I don't know how I did that. And then when I was a junior, so after my sophomore year, I went to South Africa for a while and didn't bring any makeup with me except for mascara. So I got really used to how I looked without makeup on. And so then when I came home and did my makeup the next day, I hated what I saw and I just didn't think that I suited it, and so I kind of stopped doing it after that. I would do it every once in a while, but then the most I really did was mascara and liquid liner, and then eventually I stopped doing liquid liner and I literally just wore mascara, and I've been like that ever since. Fun story. Now I smudge it out. I don't really know how to do that though. Did that even do anything? Oh, got it in my eye. It's also really late and I had a surge of energy. I thought I'd finally do this. I cleaned my room yesterday at like 2 a.m. Deep cleaned the entire thing. My sleeping schedule is just so ridiculous. I'm convinced I'm nocturnal. I fully have insomnia and it's really bad. So this eye is a lot more than this eye. Whatever, good enough. Good enough. With a blending brush, apply smolder on the lid and crease, blending up and out. Then use Smokey smudge brush to apply it over perversion on the lower lash line. So we want smolder. Ooh, that's pretty. This is smolder. It's like a purpley brown. God, I think I'm losing my eyesight. Is this a blending brush? The one that they gave me? I think it is. I think I can use this. So I want to use smolder and blend up and out. This is the moment of truth, I think. Ooh, God. Okay, I need more. God, I'm just really bad at this. Oh my God. Okay, now for the other eye. I feel like people usually have an easier time with this eye and this eye when doing their makeup, but I'm the opposite. Do you know what I mean? Like, I'm always seeing people like really awkwardly holding their hands. But I feel like I never really do that. Watch, in like 2 minutes, I'm gonna be doing that. I don't ever do my makeup, so I don't know what I'm saying. I don't ever do that. How would I know if I do that or not? So you know how Urban Decay has all of these palettes. So they have like the smoky one, they have, I think it's called Heat, the one with all the reds and oranges. I've always really, really wanted, and I saw at Primark recently. Oh, I did such a better job on this side than on this side. I saw at Primark that they have like a dupe, and so I got, let me show you, quick break. It's called Amber, and it's literally the same thing, and it was only £3. Fun tip if you live in the UK. Okay, I don't know how to fix it so that this one looks like that one. Maybe blend it more, but I feel like okay. This is just gonna be a really long video of me talking to myself. I mean, that's literally all I do on YouTube. You know what, good enough. I don't really care. Then use a Smokey smudger brush to apply it over perversion on the lash line. Which one is perversion? Oh, that's what they meant. Okay, they want me to use this to blend it with the eyeliner. All right, using the tapered crease brush, this, blend password into the edge of smolder and into the crease. With the Smokey smudger brush, wrap password around the eye and soften the edges of the lower lash line. What? Oh, so like here and then here. Oh, this is pretty. It's this one. Password into the edge of smolder and into the crease, and then wrap it with this. I think it's saying to do like up here. Yeah, I don't really know. I'm just gonna go with it. I think I'm using too much. This is going exactly how I thought it would, which is not well. So you know how I said before that it was easier for me to apply it on this one? I lied. I think it's easier on this one. It definitely looks better on this one. I think I just blend a lot better on the other one. I also just use far too much on this side. Okay, then I use this and wrap it around. Oh, it doesn't look half bad when I add that. It's still not consistent with this side though, so I need to fix that. Let me know who your favorite YouTube beauty gurus are, because I'm always looking for more. I don't know that many. My favorite personally has to be Jackie Aina. I love her. I've only recently started watching James Charles, quite like him. Everyone else that I watch isn't an actual like beauty guru. They just sometimes do makeup videos. Kelsey Simone. I don't know if she would be considered a beauty guru, but I do really like her. I can't tell if they're both even. I could fix this properly with like a brush and everything, but that would require standing up. I don't really want to do that. Also, my foot's kind of numb. Okay, coming together. Use Smokey smudge brush to highlight the inner corner with high. Oh, that's the last one. Ew. My camera always dies while I'm putting on mascara. I cannot put mascara on without getting it all over my eyelids. So usually I put it on first before I do my eye makeup because I'm already getting it everywhere and I don't want to ruin the look. But you know, it's already black, so I guess it doesn't hurt. I have pins and needles in my foot so bad. Oh my God. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty impressed with myself. Obviously there's room for improvement still, but you know, this is the first time I did something like this in years. Like, I genuinely could not tell you the last time I did my makeup like this. So this was pretty fun. I enjoyed it. Kind of wish I had something to do now, like a club to go to or something. But instead, I'm literally just gonna take it off and shower and sleep. I hope you enjoyed this. Might be doing more makeup videos soon so that we can all watch my journey of improving my makeup skills. Let me know if you want me to do another one of these smoky eye ones, because I have 3 other looks that I could try. So this is the one. I can't close one eye. I can't ink. It's a little fun fact. How did I get into that? Oh, because she's winking. Yeah, so let me know if I should do these other ones or if I should do any other makeup videos. I think I can officially call myself a beauty guru. What can I say? Give this a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram, be my friend, and I will see you in my next video.